Hi, good evening to everyone who's looking into my video. So, in the last particular sessions, we discussed about the internet. What are the internet? What is the use of an internet? What are the applications of an internet? Who provides an internet? What are the advantages, disadvantages of an internet? We discussed about the things. So in this particular session, we discussed about the concept which is an intranet. So what is the use of an internet? You look into the same thing, definitions, advantages, what are the applications of an intranet, what's advantages, disadvantages, why we require an internet. So look into the thing these particular sessions. So we look into the definition of an intranet. So as I told you in the last slides of the internet, the definitions can be provided in their own particular way. The same way with respect to the internet is that intranet can also be provided with its own kind of a definitions. But as an internet, we look into the definition of an internet. An internet is a private computer network that uses internet protocol network connectivity to securely share parts of an organization information or operation with its employees. Let me take an example and tell you this particular definitions. What is the meaning of an intranet? Suppose if I'm working in an organization, if an organization is having a 10 members, if I consider a small organization is working of a 10 members. All the 10 members is having their own desktops. They're working in their, sitting in the particular places and they're working. So if they want to share their information from all the 10 members, all the 10 computers should be connected across internet connectivity. That means through a LAN cable. That is what we call as a network connectivity. Okay. And also when we connect it to a network connectivity, that will make use of internet protocol that we call as IP address. Through the IP address only, we can able to connect to the network. So we are connecting to the IP address through a LAN and make sure that all the firewalls have been on because it should be shared securely connected so that all the 10 members are connected together in a particular topology. I use a terminology called topology. To connect all the 10 systems, we use a different kinds of a topology to connect. It might be round, it might be star shape, it can be mesh shape. So we connect it across all the 10 members, but all the 10 members are not connected the system to an internet. They're connected only internally, but they're not connected to the outside of the world. So that's the meaning of an internet. That's what the definition says. They're private computers that uses IP address and they are internally connected. That means they are networkly connected, and also their firewalls are on. That means they're secured enough so that they can share their information, what they are doing, their works. All the 10 members in a team, those who are working, they can work together. I can just share the information across all the 10 members of a group of members, all the informations. That means they are part of an organization. That's what we say, operation within the employees. That means outside of the world, none of the members are connected in here. And also they are not connected to the outside world. So that is the meaning of intranet. That means within an organization, connected to an network connectivity using a protocol and connected to a securely, sharing an information within an organization, we say it as a definition called as intranet. Like internet, applications of internet is also so many things. Okay, so one of the applications which I'm considering, home user typically uses the internet for searching for sharing of information. Okay, home user typically uses an internet for searching and sharing on information, but home users uses an internet to share a file between different computer, business, and organization. The strict access to confidential data. See, if I want a data want to be shared across another member of an organization, that need to be connected across what? The internet connectivity, not computer connectivity, not an internet connectivity. The fellow who connected to the world of internet take the information take the information which is required and shared across the other member of an organization, the business oriented, in a confidential manner. So that is one of the applications. Okay, so this is how the architecture of an internet looks like. So internet only with respect to the internal world of an organization, I can say internal members of an organization. Extranet, there are the three words which will be more frequently we using: internet, extranet, and intranet. Okay, internet, extranet, and intranet. So intranet is the one which is being connected only through the employees. Extranet is the one few of the members of an employee being connected to the outside worlds like partners, suppliers, or customers or marketing. That's what they're shown over here. So that we say as extranet. We know about internet. Internet is connected to the outside world. Okay, so that is with respect to the architecture. This is what the architecture looks like. So working of an internet. Say, look at over here. There is a custom network. There's an internet. There's an extranet. Then there is an internet. Can you look at over here? This is the internet. There are two systems. I have internet server, application server, and extranet server. This extranet server, which is having a firewall, which is connected to the outside world. Okay, if you want to access to this particular customer network, one of the application server, one of the extranet server will connect it to the outside world and get the information and share it across the other members. But system one can be connected to the system two. These two members are sharing an information. If they want to share the information, they need to put to the internet server. From an internet server, they will be connected to this and they'll be working on the things. So this is called as intranet. So if anybody in this particular intranet, if they want to connect to the outside world through an internet, then they used to have a firewall because it's supposed to be secure enough so that their data will be intact. Okay, not being through virus and all those things. So it's the internet server, they can connect to the outside world and get the information. Otherwise, there is an extranet. Extranet server will connect to the outside world, get the information of the suppliers or the marketers, the consumers, what I'm everything, they can get back to the things intranet world. This is how the intranet works. So what are the advantages of it with respect to the internet? So there's some of the advantages is there with respect to internet is that workforce productivity. If you are connected only to the internet world, intranet world, so it means we are not aware of what is the thing which is happening outside the world. So we can workforce productivity will be more. If we are connected to the internet, we look for more information with respect to the particular thing. We try to get more accuracy. In meantime, the productivity will become a less. So that's why workforce will be productivity. Time will be less for a productivity. Communication between the members will be more. Business operation, the management will be more cost effective. Promotes a common corporate culture. Enhance a collaboration platform. Cross-platform capability will be there. So these are some of the advantages if you are using an intranet. So what is some of the disadvantages of an intranet? Inappropriate and incorrect information can be posted on the intranet, which reduces the credibility and effectiveness. Yes. So suppose if we want to share the informations, we put a different kind of information that can be shared across the other members of the organization. There is a freedom. One more thing is the freedom, but to post abusive and possibly illegal materials, that is will be more. If you want, this will be more. The training is required to educate people what of internet can be do, what kind of an information, and security of income, security of an internet becomes a major issue. So these are some of the things which is there, and so these are some of the references which are used to share the things for you people. Thank you.